TREDA has signed MoU with NTPC to replace protein solar plant at Dumbur Lake to regenerate 130 MB of electricity. Emphasis has been placed on renewable energy generation in urban and rural areas of the state. Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha said this while inaugurating a workshop on energy transition of Tripura at a private hotel in the capital on Wednesday. A workshop on energy transition of Tripura was held at a private hotel in the capital on Wednesday. Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha inaugurated the workshop. Speaking at the workshop today, Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha said that renewable electricity generation in the state is only 20 megawatts. TPGL has started work on replacement of 30 MB small hydropower plant. TREDA has targeted to generate 500 MB of electricity using solar energy. TREDA MoU has signed a deal with NTPC to replace protein solar plant at Dumbur Lake to generate 130 MB of electricity. Renewable power generation is an important issue in the country. Emphasis is placed on renewable power generation in urban and rural areas of Tripura state. The aim of the state government is to improve the socio-economic status of the people of the state through various activities.
The future of Tripura in terms of this renewable energy. And I would like to share some of my points in this great gathering. The workshop energy transition of Tripura will create the spirit to promote the renewable energy in the state to meet up the ambitious target of our country. An ever-growing population means an ever-growing requirements of energy. Nowadays, enormity of energy cannot be denied. It is essential in every walk of life knowing the dreadful fact that non-renewable sources will eventually depleted, and as nation contend with the increasingly devastating impact of climate changes, largely caused by anthropocentric developmental activities, the role of renewable energy in the energy and electricity mix becomes primary. Renewable energy has become one of the most important factors and hope for the world to preserve the pristine environment and the planet resources for future generation. India has been leading the world on this front, showing the developing nations of the world a way forward for socio-economic growth without degradation of the environment. Recently we have seen that our Honorable Prime Minister already have emphasized on this renewable energy in G20 summit in Delhi. So country has taken an ambitious target for, already have mentioned our Honorable Power Minister, that 500 gigawatt for promoting renewable energy and committed to increase the share of 50% from non-fossil fuel sources by 2030. Tripura state-owned installed conventional capacity is 110 megawatt and maintained by Tripura Power Generation Limited, TPGL. The renewable installed capacity is 20 megawatt only, developed by TREDA. Already we have seen a video, a very small video over here, that how our Tripura renewable energy development, that is TREDA, are working upon. And our Prime Minister also shared with some of our beneficiaries. So TPGL is coming with 120 megawatt and 84 megawatt CCGT projects at Roki and Boromura in place of existing 63 megawatt and 42 megawatt projects. TPGL has started working on installation of 30 megawatt capacity small hydro power plant in different locations of Tripura. TREDA kept target for installation of 500 megawatt of renewable power up to 2030, which included solar grid power, floating solar, canal solar, rooftop solar, microgrid solar, other off-grid systems, etc.
The Chief Minister, Dr. Manik Saha, also said that substantial capital has been invested in renewable energy generation. Attractive industrial policies have been implemented to increase investor interest in the state. Apart from Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha, Power Minister Ratan Lal Nath, State Chief Secretary J.K. Sinha and others were present in the workshop program. Reported by Pranal from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.